Hello dear brothers and sisters, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a powerful potent separation cum breakup spell. This is a video in which we are going to discuss how to separate two people. This is a boon video in which what happens, for instance, your partner has left you for someone else, or your partner is under the influence of someone else, you have been ignored by someone else, you are not able to sleep or eat properly, your mind is continually or continuously distracting towards that person, and the other partner unfortunately is spending his or her time valuably enjoying each and everything, then this is the very powerful potent spell which can help to break any relationship, separate any two people, will create such a wall in the hearts of the two target people that they will never ever gonna have a word with each other. They will start hating each other literally. They will never ever gonna talk to each other. Moreover, dear brothers and sisters, do try this spell only on one condition, because if you have tried this spell and the spell has worked for you, 100% chances are there that these two people on whom you are going to try this powerful chant spell, they will never ever gonna reunite. They will always have a egoistic feeling, will always have negative vibes for each and everyone. Moreover, the exact cause of their separation, their breakup, will be unknown to both of them. They will not put even a single percent effort to reconciliate with their partner. So this is a very powerful spell which will definitely help you to get the results. In this spell you need a piece of newspaper which is already with me. You can see in front of your screen right now. A newspaper is there. Second thing, what you are going to do, that newspaper should be a colorful newspaper which have some kind of a couple. For instance, you are able to see one of the editions of the newspaper in which there was a news about two couple getting engaged over the mobile phones, right? So we want that this separation should be there. We want that the couple should not meet. Moreover, the cutting of the newspaper or the newspaper has to be the latest one, right? First of all, what you are going to do, you are going to draw a circle like this. With a black marker. Then the another circle. If you are not able to find a newspaper, what you can do, you can print something of like this, there in which there are two people who are chatting with each other, who are talking to each other, or who are just walking there, or who are watching a movie, or who are sitting. That is only two photographs are required. If you want that this is your partner, it should come to you, then you will put a tick. If you want that this partner should come to you, then you will put a tick here. If you want that no one should come to you, then no need to put a tick. Once you have done it, you are going to make 3 crosses between these 2 photographs. Right, 1, 2, 3 crosses are already there. Remember friends, this spell is to separate 2 people so that they cannot have any word with each other. Now dear brothers and sisters, what you are going to do, you are going to chant these powerful words 31 times. Aishwarya, first person's name, that is of this person. Karishma, second person's name. Chashma. Right? You are going to chant it 31 times. How you are going to chant it? You are going to, once you have chanted this paper, you are going to hit this newspaper with a slipper or with a flip-flop like this. 31 times you are going to hit. One chant, one hit. Second chant, second hit. Third chant, third hit. So 31 chant and 31 hits would be there on these 2 people, or in the middle. At the middle you can do it. Once you have done it, you will tear this newspaper and will go at a far away place and will urinate on this picture. Once you have done it, you will think that the motive and purpose for which I was doing this spell has got fulfilled. There is no limitation. Whenever you want, you can cast this spell. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can do it. However, there has to be a 21 days limit. That is for 21 days continuously, without a skip, even a single day, you are going to cast this spell. After 21 days, dear brothers and sisters, these 2 people, they will be completely they will have complete breakup. They are not going to talk to each other. Even if they are going to cross their ways, they will change their ways. They will literally hating each other like 2 enemies. And this spell works only on certain condition, that is if one of the persons has hurt you, or one of the persons has left you, or this relationship is being causing a problem in your life. Dear brothers and sisters, if you have any doubt regarding this spell, then please don't forget to call on the number which is there on your screen. We would love to answer each and every queries of yours. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.